Prime Minister Takaichi's historic election win has sent Japanese stocks to record highs, signaling major economic policy shifts ahead.
Good news is rippling from Tokyo this week as Japan's financial markets are absolutely soaring. The Nikkei 225 index, a benchmark for Japanese stocks, just surged to a historic new high, topping 57,000 points. This incredible leap comes on the heels of Prime Minister Takaichi's decisive election victory, giving her a powerful mandate. It signals strong investor confidence in her plans and hints at a potential economic revolution that could impact your investments and the global economy. This isn't just about one day's trading. Prime Minister Takaichi's Liberal Democratic Party, along with its coalition partner, secured a supermajority in the recent parliamentary elections. This landslide win grants her significant freedom to implement her ambitious policy agenda. She's often seen as a torchbearer for policies reminiscent of former Prime Minister Shinzo Abe's Abenomics, aiming to shake Japan out of decades of economic stagnation. This victory removes much of the political uncertainty that markets dislike, allowing her to push forward without constant negotiation.
So, what exactly is Prime Minister Takaichi promising? Her economic strategy, often dubbed Sanaenomics, focuses on several key pillars. First, she advocates for a high-pressure economy policy, combining aggressive monetary easing with flexible fiscal spending to stimulate demand and investment. This includes significant fiscal stimulus packages with plans to tackle inflation through measures like temporary consumption tax breaks on food. She also emphasizes boosting defense spending, aiming to reach 2% of GDP by March 2026, accelerating previous targets. These policies are designed to invigorate the economy, support working households, and strengthen Japan's global standing. The ripple effect of these policies extends far beyond Japan's borders. The stock market has clearly reacted positively, but what about other crucial indicators? While the yen initially softened, it later showed some recovery, creating a complex dynamic for investors. Aggressive fiscal spending and monetary easing often lead to a weaker yen, which can be a double-edged sword. Great for Japanese exporters, making their goods cheaper globally, but it also increases the cost of imports for everyday Japanese consumers. Meanwhile, concerns about increased government debt are putting upward pressure on Japanese government bond yields. So what does the future hold for Japan's economy under Prime Minister Takaichi? Analysts are closely watching for concrete policy implementations and their impact on inflation and growth targets. While the initial market reaction is positive, some experts warn that balancing voter demands for inflation relief with fiscal sustainability could be challenging. The Bank of Japan's coordination with government policies will also be critical in navigating yen fluctuations and bond market dynamics. The world will be watching to see if this new era of Sanaenomics can deliver sustained prosperity. Prime Minister Takaichi's decisive win marks a significant turning point for Japan, promising a bold economic direction. Her Sanaenomics policies have already injected considerable optimism into the stock market. For everyday viewers, this means keeping an eye on how these substantial shifts in Japan's economic engine could eventually influence global trade, currency values, and even the products you buy. It's a powerful reminder of how political outcomes in one major economy can resonate worldwide.
This is GeeseFinance.